If you are facing issues with secondary verification on Binance, commonly involving 2FA, here's a guide to troubleshoot the problem. Check time settings. Ensure that the time on your device is synchronized correctly. 2FA codes are time sensitive and any discrepancy can cause verification failures. Backup codes. If you have backup codes provided during the initial setup, use them as an alternative method to log in. These codes are essential if you can't receive 2FA codes via an authentication app. Authentication app issues. If you're using an authentication app, make sure it's properly configured for Binance. If not, reconfigure it by scanning the QR code or entering the provided key manually. Reset 2FA. If you can't resolve the issue, you may need to reset your 2FA settings on Binance. This typically involves contacting Binance support and following their specific instructions for the reset process. Reinstall Authentication app. If you're still having trouble, try uninstalling and reinstalling your authentication app. Reconfigure it with the Binance account. Contact Binance support. If all else fails, contact Binance customer support for assistance. Provide them with necessary information to verify your identity and they can guide you through the resolution process.